In the web, there have two domains used by WordPress, WordPress.org and WordPress.com. And you'll find that when you search a WordPress word in a Google search engine, some people confuse and think, what is the difference of these two domains? But this is understandable. Let's clarify these terms. When speaking about WordPress, we need to clear this distinction in three different terms: WordPress, WordPress.org, and WordPress.com. WordPress is the application itself and available to download for free at WordPress.org. You download a WordPress package, install in the web server, and create a content. The correct term used for WordPress word is "My new website is proudly powered by WordPress." WordPress.org is the website that hosts the WordPress open source project, including the application, themes, plugins, forums, and development. You can download the WordPress package in WordPress.org, and this is also you'll find the WordPress official documentation for application and official support forum for WordPress. The correct term of using WordPress.org is: if you have a problem in your WordPress site, try asking questions in WordPress.org forum. WordPress.com is a site distribute WordPress as a software and as a service application for free or for pay. You can build a site using WordPress.com, but there have a restriction. For example, you can't install your own plugins and themes on a WordPress.com site. The correct term of using WordPress.com: I built my first blog on WordPress.com. Now I want to add more functionality, so I'm moving to a WordPress self-hosted site. There are one more name we mention here: Automatic. Automatic is a company founded by WordPress co-creator Matt Mullenweg that owns WordPress.com and the leader of WordPress open source project. In this course, we will download the WordPress package from WordPress.org and we will install to the web server.